Dominique, can you say hi, Grandma? Can you say hi? You don't want to say hi? Say hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. You gonna smile? You want to smile for Grandma? Or burp? What are you doing? Say hi, Grandma. Say hi. You tell Grandma you love her? Say I love you, Grandma. Really? Okay, say bye-bye, Grandma. Say bye. Can you smile? Can you smile? Okay, say bye. Nick.